Today, we'll talk about how to take many trades, when to look for longs and shorts, how to decide on entries, stop loss hunts, liquidity pools, smart money concepts, order blocks, optimal trade entry. Everybody talks about trading strategies, but nobody talks about how to be a better trader. Today will be the day you'll learn the secrets of pro traders. We have so much to cover. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course. We only talk about price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. With this video, you'll learn how to become winner trader from a losing trader. If you are looking for a structured table of contents, I set it up for you. You can find it on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. It is important to watch videos in order to fully understand everything. Sometimes people ask me how I find setups. Even though I'm a part-time trader and mostly trade in my free time, I can find tons of trades. I can do day trading or swing trading or even micro scalping. Why? Because price action is fractal and smart money trading is universal. I do the exact same things in every time frame, 1 week or 1 minute. No difference to me. I already took more than 15 trades in June. I took around 4 or 5 trades in this region at the beginning of June. Then took 2 nice trades here. Took 1 micro scalp here and 2 day trades over here. And recently I took 4 micro scalps on the same day while I was preparing for the hairdresser. All shared in my Twitter account, you may check it out. So 15 days, overall 15-20 trades. But how do I do it? Let's analyze the 2 trades over here with extreme detail. Now we are in the 1 hour chart. I actually love the 1 hour time frame so much, it reveals many things. You already remember this super balanced price range and support resistance flip area from my previous videos. This is a demand until it is broken. I expected bounces here. I was ready to trade those bounces. Let's zoom into it. This is the 4 hour chart. Can you see the super order block at the top? With the price bounce, I was already expecting the price to go up there before the fall. Why? Because the price is a rubber ball that bounces between structures. I said this 100 times before. So, what is happening right here? We have a demand bouncer and we have a very common structure. Every price action trader knows this structure. Very simple, like price action 101. Price hunts the liquidity at demand and bounces to the nearest important supply, which is a 4-hour order block. Here is the simplest version of what I do, where I look for longs and shorts. Very common smart money trading, nothing else. Let's go into detail with 30-minute charts. First of all, as you can see, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 8 hours. None of them matter. Remember what I look for. I look for the clearest structures. I can go through every single time frame, none of them matter. Even though I love 1 hour so much, it still does not matter. The only thing that matters is the clearest structures. Notice this low here. This is where the price is cheapest. It has already fallen a lot. Now it is inside a very important demand area. And where could price to go? Of course, the most important high time frame supply is a super OB above. A note here, it does not have to be this way. Anything can happen here. But none of these matters. We have our rules. And we stick to our rules no matter what. Notice how the price makes new higher highs until the supply area, basically creating a micro trend before the big fall. This is Smart Money Basics 101, a very good example here. You need to understand this. Placing orders and making trades is the secondary business. First of all, you must understand the price. Like having a partner, after years you'll understand when he or she is angry or happy. I hope so. It is all experience. Okay, same chart with the 5-minute time frame. We are dissecting the trades more and more. I know all of you want me to teach you how to enter the trade, but you already know that entering a trade is the easiest thing ever in the world. Just wait for the structure to change, then place your order. But where you should do it, that's what matters. This is why you must understand the price. Notice this internal liquidity hunt right here, and one after another. Price filling up itself inside this micro trend to reach the high time frame 4-hour order block supply area. Let me explain it in the chart. Here we have a demand area, mega liquidity hunted with a swing failure pattern. And we have a high time frame key structure above. Price makes little moves and creates internal liquidity behind to push itself until the supply area. As you know, the fuel of the price is liquidity and imbalances. It does not matter if it is a mega or micro trends. However, sometimes the price flies easily without any of those. It can happen and it will happen, mostly caused by news, eco data, or some insider transactions from market makers. We can never predict everything. We will only stick to our trading rules. Let's take a closer look and check the first trade. First of all, what do I know? Price bounced from high time frame demand and headed to the 4-hour supply area above. This is my gameplay zone. After this internal liquidity hunt, the price makes a structural shift right at this point, as you can see. When you use your premium and discount tool or optimal trade entry with Fibonacci, you can see where the price is cheaper. We also have a micro order block right here, another micro demand area. Notice this low, which sweeps the internal liquidity right here. What does it do? It creates another micro market structure break. This is how we do it, guys. Same thing over and over and over again. Price comes to the supply demand, sweeps liquidity, and shifts the structure to the opposite side, then we enter. Now let's look at the other trade. The price reaches my 4-hour super order block. Then the insane reaction there entirely shifts the structure. Then it leaves this extreme imbalance behind, which was the ideal entry for me. However, is there a rule that says that it will reach to the imbalance? Did God create the imbalances? No. Everything we do is educated guesses and working with statistics. None of the smart money is a godsend. Remember this. Notice this breaker block. This is where I entered, but I always caution myself. God did not create these rules, but God gave me a brain at least. What if the price pulls back later on to this mega imbalance here? I am not a greedy guy. Greed is the curse of traders. Your aim should be consistency, because consistent traders eventually reach certain incomes in their life. Okay folks, this is it. This is how you fix your mistakes and move on. These are great trading strategies for scalpers and day traders. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you, please take care and see you soon.